Do my natural nails this much with just one product, and that's the beauty of Builder Gel. This is how I apply it. I start off by prepping my natural nails by using a cuticle softener and pushing back my cuticles. As always, prepping is key, so I make sure to get rid of any dead skin on my nail plate. Then I use a nail buffer to lightly buff my natural nails just to kind of remove the shine and add a little bit of grit to my natural nail for the gel to adhere to. I grab a lint-free wipe and some isopropyl alcohol and wipe down my nails to get rid of any dust. Apply dehydrator to get rid of any oils on my nail plate. Now it's time for the star of the show. First, I apply a thin layer of gel. I don't cure, then I take a glob of gel and push it up the cuticle and sway from side to side. Then I'll take any excess and drag it down the nail. This will build the apex and ultimately give it strength and keep it from breaking. Give it a couple seconds to self-level. Then I do a side view check to make sure I'm happy with the apex, and if I am, I'll flash cure for about 10 to 20 seconds. I repeat the same steps on all the other nails, and at the end I do a full cure of 60 seconds. Wipe off the tacky layer with an alcohol prep pad. Let's grow our natural nails together and let me know if you will be trying this.